Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I am super excited about bringing you all week long a new little series called the Rodgers House Shopping Collection. Now these are going to be pieces that I have purchased either thrifting or at some of our local retail stores that I saw that I felt would fit really nicely in the Rodgers House home decor design aesthetics. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is my water pitcher and teaware collection. I purchased both of these collections out thrifting with my sister. So the very first thing that I'm going to show you is the Marjolaine Baston floral and butterfly water pitcher. I purchased this at a local thrift store for $4.99 and I simply love it. I can use it in spring or summer. So the next thing is going to be my teaware collection. I plan to do a few summer garden tea parties. I'm going to show you this really pretty sort of like magenta pink teaware set. I am not sure who this is by because the description label was kind of scratched off, but it is a really pretty set. I have something similar to it, so I was excited to see this so that I could add it with my existing pieces. Next is this Dynasty. I think it's by Dynasty, and it is just a beautiful white and gold trim teapot with the sugar and creamer to match. I love white and gold. I think it really elevates the look of a table. I love using a white tablecloth with white and gold. I think that really speaks elegance. So you will see me use that in both. Well, actually, I could use it all year round. So next is this Japanese Mikasa teapot that I purchased, and it is really pretty. It is on eBay, not for a lot of money, but I really like the look of it. So you'll be seeing me use that as well in my spring summer tea parties. Next, we're going on to just some tableware, some miscellaneous tableware pieces that I picked up. And if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love old world Tuscan pieces. I love old world and new world Tuscan pieces, but this really caught my eye. These 4 plates were only, I think, 50 cents a piece, and I will probably use them in the fall, but I really could not let them stay in the store because they are so pretty. I love the grape design on it. Okay, and so then last but not least are these really pretty taupe stoneware coffee cups, and it looks like it has like a mosaic pearl trim around the coffee cup. And so I love these. You see, I got these for $1 each, and I will be using these probably in a winter coffee bar setup. And you know me, I might throw it in the summer. I don't know, but you'll have to come back to see how I use these pieces. But guess this concludes today's shopping collection. And all week long, I'm going to be bringing you a shopping collection of things that I have searched for and either thrifted or picked up at some of our local retail stores that I felt fit perfectly in the Rodgers House home decor decorating aesthetics. So if you like what you saw today, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. And if you are visiting for the first time, welcome. And I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.